Go.
Yay! Thank you so much for 100 subscribers.
Yay!
So, like we said on my home tour where I showed you that giant house where I didn't know how many bedrooms it had, you commented and we said that we would draw one of the winners, well, 3 of the winners, to win a Korean snack pack. So, we have our papers here today and we will be drawing 3 winners. I'll draw one, Aaliyah will draw one, and Austin will draw one. So here we go. Everyone choose
Are you
your
ready?
paper.
Are you ready? I'll take that.
Good job!
Good job, baby.
Okay, so this is our first winner. Congratulations!
All right, second winner. Woo! Yay!
And third winner is completely covered in drool.
Are you ready? Are you ready? Set.